In this video, I will show you how to reset the microinverter if it cannot be detected in the mobile application or if it was previously connected to another phone. First, disconnect the AC power and then disconnect the solar panel from the inverter. This will completely power off the device. Next, reconnect the photovoltaic cables to the solar panel and wait for the indicator light on the inverter to turn on. Once the light appears, you have about 30 seconds to perform the reset procedure. During this time, repeatedly plug and unplug the power cord. In my case, the green light started flashing very quickly instead of the red and green lights flashing alternately as described in the manual. However, the reset procedure still worked. You can also use this method if you cannot find the inverter in the mobile application. After the reset is completed, open the app and search for the inverter again to reconnect it.